Welcome to Pick of the Week from Power Semiconductors Weekly. Top industry stories this week. CSOID launched a 1200-volt 300 amps half-bridge IGBT module in a CPAC EDC industry standard package for drop-in upgrades. Using a trench gate field stop IGBT technology and a soft recovery diode, it balances low conduction and switching losses, improves EMI, and offers strong short-circuit behavior. Alpha and Omega Semiconductor launched the AlphaMOS E2 600-volt super junction platform with the first device in TO-leadless package. Designed for high-power SMPS, it features a rugged, low QRR body diode. Target topologies include totem pole PFC, LLC, and cycle converters across servers, telecom, solar, motor drives, and industrial power. Vishay introduced 5 1200-volt silicon carbide MOSFET power modules in fully insulated SOT227 package, delivering a forward drop-down to 0.83 volt to cut conduction losses. In single-switch and low-side chopper versions, ratings span from 50 to 200 amps with RDS on to 12.1 mA and 175-degree operation. Vanguard International Semiconductor licensed 650-volt and 80-volt gallium nitride processes from TSMC, accelerating its roadmap for data center, automotive, industrial, and energy markets. Vanguard International Semiconductor adds gallium nitride on silicon alongside gallium nitride on QST, becoming the only foundry offering both, spanning from 15 to 1200 volt. Process validation on its 8-inch line starts early 2026 and production targets the first half of 2028. Wolfspeed introduced a TO-leaded topside cool package family for data center rack power supplies, exhausting heat upward to raise cooling efficiency and power density. Built on Gen 4 silicon carbide, it enables smaller, more reliable AI data center systems and leverages US-based silicon carbide substrate capacity for supply resilience. Initial 650-volt options come with multiple RDS-on variants, and additional topside cooled products are planned for the second half of 2026. We'll be back next week. Meanwhile, get your daily updates at powersemiconductorsweekly.com.